My name is Mark Wright. I'm Executive Head Chef for Sodexo. I oversee the catering for a large and a medium B&I site based in Brighton. So today I'm making a West African chicken and almond stew, and I'm serving that with steamed kale, freekeh and adzuki beans, and using the Knorr Professional concentrated powder. This bouillon format is suitable for this dish because it's suitable for a large amount of covers, has no allergens to declare, and it also has a great flavour. Okay, so I'm going to marinate the chicken for a few hours in some coriander, paprika, cayenne pepper, turmeric and cumin. And once that's been marinated, I'm then going to sear off the chicken breast. Then I'm going to take the chicken out of the same pan and then start frying off some onion, garlic, ginger and chilli. Once that's sweated down, I'm going to add the rest of the spice mix and fry for a little longer. Then I'm going to add some Knorr Professional concentrate powder. Then I'm going to add some tomatoes, tomato puree, almond butter, and then dice some sweet potato and put that into the mix. I'm going to simmer that for about 10 minutes until the stew is thickened. Then I'm going to put the chicken breast back into the stew and then braise that in the oven for about 25 minutes until it's thoroughly cooked. I'll also be using kale, which is a 50-50 ingredient. I'll be serving that also with some cracked freekeh, which will be cooked in the Knorr concentrated vegetable bouillon mix as well. And lastly, I'd also be serving that with some adzuki beans, which is another Future 50 ingredient. Then add some of the stew with some chicken and garnish it with some charred chili and some coriander leaf. This is a fantastic dish to serve to 20 to 30 people, but also can be scaled up very easily to a few hundred people as well. It's a fantastic dish with great flavour.